Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making a healthy and soft wheat flour naan without yeast right on the tawa. This version is lighter than traditional naan and super easy to prepare at home. In a mixing bowl, combine a bowl of wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar. Give it a quick mix. Add curd, then start mixing while gradually adding milk. Knead it into a soft dough, not too sticky, not too dry. Add oil and knead again. Once done, cover the dough with and let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes. This helps make the naan soft and fluffy. After resting, divide the dough into small balls. Roll each ball into an oval or round shape about 1/4 inch thick. If you like garlic naan, sprinkle some chopped garlic or coriander on top and lightly press it in. Flip the naan and apply a little water to one side. Place the wet side down on the tawa. This helps it stick. Cook until bubbles appear, then flip and roast the other side directly over the flame with tongs for a perfect tandoori effect. Brush with butter or ghee once done. In the same way, repeat the process. And that's it, soft, healthy wheat flour naan ready to serve. Pair it with your favorite curry or enjoy it plain. Naan is a type of soft, leavened flatbread that originated in South Asia and the Middle East. It's typically cooked in a clay oven called a tandoor, which gives it a unique smoky flavor and charred texture. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home-style cooking.